So in today's video I will tell you how to download VS Code and some such features are used in it which is very important for you to know. Then watch the video till the last. Let's start. First of all, you have to download VS Code from Google Chrome and then install. It is very easy to install. Open VS Code. Now, first of all, how to add folder in VS Code. Then you have to open File Explorer and create a folder. After that, open the VS Code, then click on Open Folder, select the folder. Folder has been added. So now make a HTML folder. Now, how to enable auto save option in it. So here I write some code. So you can see that it is not saved yet. So you have to click on the file option in the top left side. Here the option of auto save is visible. Click here. So you can see that auto save is enabled. Next, how to enable mouse wheel zoom option in it. So you have to click on the setting icons, then go to the setting option, then you have to search zoom and enable it. You can see that the zoom option is enabled. Okay. Now let me tell you about live server. You have to search live server here, have to install, then click on go live. It will be opening Chrome browser. I write some code here. You can see that it has been printed here. Next, how to enable copy line features. Then click on keyboard shortcuts. Then you have to search copy line down. Now arrange the button according to you. So you have to click on Alt plus Shift down arrow button. As you can see, it is enabled. Next, how to change folders icon. Now I add a folder which contains many icons. Now you have to search the materials theme and install all these themes. You can see it doesn't look very good. Now we set the second theme. You have to search and install Dracula theme. This is the best theme and let's see it. you have to search and install GitHub theme. This is also a good theme. Next, you have to search and install OneDark Pro theme. This is our last theme, and this is also a good theme in VS Code. Okay, if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.